So James Charles, please collab.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel.
Our channel.
Wow, you know who else sings? James Charles. And do you know what else James Charles does? Makeup. Makeup. Makeup.
It's like you wanted me to say it with you and I didn't.
No, you didn't.
This week's video is inspired by the one and only, the most iconic sister in the whole world, James Charles.
James Charles.
Yeah! So yeah, we're gonna do
A makeup voiceover.
Yeah. So basically what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be doing my makeup and she'll speak for me. And then she'll do her makeup and I'll speak for her. And also, we're gonna have, both of our looks are gonna be inspired by one of James Charles' looks.
Exactly.
I already have mine selected.
And I have mine selected also.
Coachella vibes over here.
Rainbow Pride Month vibes over here.
Yeah! Let's get started.
Oh,
that was good.
Hey guys, it's Caisa here, and today we're going to be starting off with this foundation, and I'm not really sure what it says, but it's foundation, so who cares? And so we're just going to use our sponge. Just kidding, it's a beauty blender, I'm not uneducated. And we're going to swatch it on the wrist so we get the correct shade. We're just going to press that onto our base after we show it off. And we're gonna just press that bad boy on there like you're beating your face with some foundation. Relatable teen stuff. Anyways, we're gonna go to concealer now, and we're just gonna rub it all in underneath our eyes in some shape or form. We're gonna conceal our nose because we do love a snatched sister, as James Charles says. We're gonna do a little dance because we need to get our blood flowing so we can provide the most, just the best makeup look possible. And we're gonna blow off that contour kit because it does get a little dusty when it's on the shelf for so long. We're gonna use the shades diagonal from each other, which are sour cream and tan. And we're just gonna, just rub that on our cheekbones, I think, and make a 3 or an E, however you look at it. We're gonna also do that to the other side. So, yep. Then we're gonna take this little brush and we're gonna put it on the contour, maybe not, and just put it on your, what are you gonna put it on? Your eyes. You're gonna put that on your eyes. You're just gonna rub that, lick it for who knows why, and we're gonna grab our Morphe kit, select burnt orange, I don't know, cut it in your eye. This is awkward. So yep, you're gonna do that with your eyes. Not really sure what you're doing, but that's fine. We're gonna fill that in. We're gonna take our e.l.f. thin Sharpie marker and not do the whole eye, but just the end of it, so it looks like you did the work, but you actually didn't. Then you're gonna look to the audience for reassurance and just fix that bad boy up and move on to the other side. And we're gonna do highlight. And then we're gonna go to our brows, which doesn't really look like the correct shade, but she's just gonna keep pressing forward. Then she's gonna soon find out that this is not a brow pencil, but a eyeliner pen. She's gonna continue to fill in her other brow with an eyeliner pen still. She's gonna ramble about how she messed up her 2 key ingredients of makeup artiste. She's gonna use a brow wand instead of mascara to lift up those eyelashes. And then just gonna finish off the look with a red gloss.
Hey guys, it's Abby, and I'm just gonna be starting off with a base called foundation, squirt it on my hand, and just really dab it into all the cracks and creases. Wow, this is interesting. Not even gonna dab it, I'm gonna just smear it everywhere. Yes, whatever. And now I'm gonna take my concealer and just go all Kim K on this face, starting with triangles and ending up with a bunch of random things. Going back to the beauty blender maybe? Just gonna, no, I like the baby one better. And ending with the big mama. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my bronzing palette, I think that's what it's called, and gonna look at a bunch, just one fresh, and pick that one. And now I'm just gonna contour my cheek and chin to really get that jawline sharp so I can cut y'all. And just go crazy with this contouring stuff. I'm pretty sure I accidentally dipped into the highlight, but that works too. Okay, so now I'm just gonna select the lipstick and use it as blush because everything works as makeup, you know? And now I'm going in with my Cool Crazy palette and starting with the orange on the outer side, going in with the yellow, more yellowish on the inside. Then on the other eye, I will be doing, I think it's purple on the inside, but it's non-existent, so. Okay, I did blue on the outside and whatever. Now I'm gonna do some highlight on my chin, neck, and I did some on my cheeks. Now I'm gonna do lip stuff on my lips, make it really cute and nude-y. And now I'm gonna smack a bunch of glitter on my eyes. Wow. Dang, that is vibrant. My eyes are popping now. Now I'm gonna actually take a real blush stick and apply it on. Just smile as big as I can. And then put on some more lip stuff because you can never have too much. Next I'm going in with liner and just kind of going whack on it. Okay, so starting on the inner, then ending up with an outer. And do I look cute, Mom?
Well, that was our makeup look, and this is serious, so
And we can't wait for James Charles to slide into our DMs now, so really
Yeah.
excited.
waiting for you, sister. Sister slide into our sister DMs, you know.
Yeah, I'm really
Okay, so give this video a like if you love your mom, and also give this video a subscribe if you
love your dad.
love your dad. And if you don't love your dad or your mom,
Just like and subscribe anyways.
yeah.
Do it for your G mom.
And we'll be back in the next video, so meow. What was in your bag? Ah!
See, I'm here for myself.
She's gay.